Yeah, dear students, in this video, you will learn how to make a wine cup. Yeah, shape of the cup is different. Yeah, so we should use multi-section solid. We should create a section here, circle, 150 millimeter diameter, and the bottom circle. Okay, here bottom circle, 80 millimeter diameter. Okay, 80 millimeter diameter and 150 millimeter. And we should use multi-section solid with the two guides. Okay, yeah, one guide is this side and another guide is other side. Okay, with different shape. So the guide sketches are given here. So two should be different sketches. Okay, so this one and this one you should make different. Okay, not same sketch. Okay, so after making multi-section solid with guides, right? So we empty the outside with the shell, okay? Because for making the same shape inside, right? Actually, we need to use remove multi-section solid, follow the curves, okay? With offset, but that makes the process complicated, okay? So we just use shell. And after that one, we create a rib, and rib sketch is this one. And cross section is circle cross section, okay? So let's do this. Start mechanical design, part design. Yeah, so use top view for creating this big circle 150 millimeter. So top view, create 150 millimeter diameter, radius diameter 150. And so from XY plane, create another plane at the bottom for making this one 80 millimeter. Okay, so create a plane at the bottom with 80 millimeter bottom reverse direction. Sorry, not 80, 200. So height is 200. Okay, and make a sketch with 80 millimeter diameter at the bottom. Okay, circle. And now if you use just multi-section solid, right, you will get a straight connection like this one. Okay, but I want to get a multi-section solid with a different connection. Okay, follow one guide on the one side and follow another guide on the other side. Okay, so we should make two different sketches with two different guides. Okay, so we have choose YZ plane. You can also choose ZX plane. Okay, both the sketches on YZ plane or both the sketches on ZX plane also. Okay, so yeah, we use arc. So arc radius is, yeah, so arc radius is 400, right? 400. Okay, so somewhere else, the center point is somewhere else. Okay, so 400 is very big, right? So touching this horizontal axis and touching this one, right? So radius of this arc is 400. Yeah, so yeah, from here to here, the radius of the top circle 75, 150 by 2. And same from here to here, radius of the bottom circle is 40. So when you use multi-section solid with guides, right, the end point should touch the sections, okay? Otherwise, you cannot make. Okay, what is the height of that? You can also use coincidence here. This two, you can use coincidence or just make height, right? From here to here, 200. So yeah, exit. And we should make another sketch. Same plane. Okay, on the same plane. So this one is a different sketch, and we are going to make another sketch, another side guide. Okay. So the guide shape is this one. So one line here, one curve here, arc, one curve here, like that one. So yeah, you can make a line. Yeah, you can use just a line here. You can also use this one, but this one is a little bit confusing. So 10, length of the line is 10, and from here to here, 75, right? Because top circle radius is 75, and one more line at the bottom here. So that is also 10. And from here to here, I mean, you can select the radius of the bottom circle, right? Radius of the bottom circle is 40. So yeah, this point, the circle coincidence, okay? So yeah, now we make remaining arcs. Okay, one arc is here, the center point is here, and another arc is here, the center point here, and another arc is here, the center point here. Okay, so and all the arcs are tangent to each other. Okay, and this arc is tangent to this line, radius 100. Okay, so first arc, right? So center point is here somewhere else, and touching this end point of this line, and radius 100. Okay, radius 100, and one more arc. Yeah, the center point is inside, touching this one, and radius 40. Yeah, radius 40, and one more arc. One more arc touching this one, and radius is 100 also. This one also 100, 100, and this arc also touching this point, right? Use coincidence constraint, and also yeah, little bit. Okay, make sure that they are a little bit here, like this one, common shape, and this arc and this line, curve and line are tangent to each other. Same, this curve and this curve are tangent to each other. Not coincidence, sorry, tangent to each other. And this curve and this curve are also tangent to each other. And this line and this curve also are tangent to each other. Little bit difficult to make. You should use tangency constraint and coincidence constraint. Okay, this shape, the other side. Okay, so now we should use multi-section solid. Yeah, so connect this section with this section. Okay, and we use guides here, guides, right? The first section should follow this guide. I mean, both section on the left hand side follow this guide, and the right hand side follow this. And make sure that when you make, right, these sketches are different, sketch 3 and sketch 4. If you make two guides, right, two lines, two curves on the same sketch, okay, then you will get error. Okay, click on OK. Okay, so now, and after that one we make fillet radius, so 10 millimeter. So here make radius, so 10 millimeter, and empty the top face, empty. So with the thickness, right, 5 millimeter, empty from the top with thickness 5 millimeter. Okay, so that the thickness, right? Surrounding all, it has 5 millimeter. And now we have to make handle, right? Handle. So handle sketch should be like this one, not up to here, because yeah, we should make shell and make handle later. Okay, handle sketch should touch the end points of this. Okay, so like this one. So where we made two sketches, right, on YZ plane. If you made two sketches on ZX plane, select ZX plane. If you made two sketches on YZ plane, select YZ plane. Okay, so yeah, use this one. So you can start from outside. Okay, no problem. So we use mesh ribbons, right? Mesh ribbons option, and 50-50. This radius and this radius both are having the same, right? So change that one to 50. Yeah, and let me increase twisted. Okay, so then 40 from bottom to here is 40. Body and from here to here, from here to here, also 40, and yeah, so this length from this point to this 100. Okay, a little bit. You can also choose from this point to the vertical axis 100. Okay, yeah, so make that one. Okay, now we create a plane which is normal to curve option. Select this curve, then it will automatically choose normal to curve option. Okay, and we can create plane here, or we can create plane here. So I create plane here. So handle cross section is a circle. Not given. Okay, in the problem. Handle cross section circle with diameter 20, I think. So make circle. The circle should start from here. 20. So these two, I mean this point and the end point of this curve should coincide with each other, or just you can make the dimension from here to here 40, right? Okay, now we're going to use rib and mesh ribbons. Okay, here center curve is this one, and choose mesh ribbon option. Okay, so if you make shell right after the rib, if you make shell of the rib, then what happened inside the rib also we have holes. Okay, with 5 millimeter thickness. Okay. But this one is final shape of this cup. Okay, thank you.